This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Your Apple ID is signed into Settings Messages, and the device has network access. Once done, sign out of iMessage and sign back in to refresh authentication. This resets the iMessage handshake with Apple servers. Next, toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds to force a network stack reset, and then disable it. If the toggle doesn't help, reboot the device to clear temporary conflicts that prevent activation. You now handle configuration issues that commonly block activation. Go to Settings General Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. This removes problematic APN, VPN, or proxy entries that can stop iMessage activation. Also, make sure date and time is set to set automatically, because mismatched time breaks secure token generation. If you use a VPN or custom DNS, turn them off temporarily. Many enterprise or ad blocking services interrupt the connection to Apple activation servers, so disable them while you finish by allowing time and verifying carrier steps. iMessage activation can require an SMS that charges carrier rates and may take up to 24 hours, so be patient. If activation still fails, contact your carrier to confirm they allow outgoing SMS to international activation numbers, because that message completes setup. Finally, if nothing works, back up your device and perform an iOS restore, or make an appointment with Apple support or an Apple Store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.